Hi there everybody, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Ballroom Tango practice routine number 9, and this was from our online class on Monday the 13th of March 2023. So if you're in the full video library and you want to see the full 1 hour class, which includes the tango and the samba sections, that's where you need to be. Let me make a little start. I'm going to be on the right hand side of the space, and be careful because there's a lot of backwards action here. So I'm going to be going back, open, forwards, swivel, forwards, second swivel. Okay? Timing for that section. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Okay, just a little outside swivel action and then coming back into closed position. Second section. Going back, in fact I'll be about here, so I'm going to be going back, open, small pivot on the feet, sit down, open again, rock, 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 walk out and close. Okay, so this is the reverse step turn. Okay, now let's go from here so you can maybe see it a bit better. I'm going quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. So that's section 2. And then section 3, we just did a couple of walks, slow, slow, progressive link, quick, quick to promenade position, 2 football changes, quick and quick, quick and quick. Then we walked on just to close that promenade position. Slow, quick, quick, slow. I'm going to do the whole thing from the beginning with all the counts. Quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. Quick and quick, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, like I said, so only a short summary. If you're looking for the whole class, but we broke that down in full detail, you need to head over to the video library. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell and help me grow the channel. And if you're already in my main video library on the website, thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.